T here, welcome back. Today we are starting a new series called Instructadont. I was perusing the Instructable website when I found 3 things that I'm calling Instructadon'ts. The first one that we're going to be doing is a DIY cable tidy. Cable tidy. Anyway, so what it is you take a 2x4, you saw some grooves into it, you drill a couple holes in it, and then you slip your cables in it. Supposedly it keeps your thing tidy. It's something that every executive is going to want on their desk, hands down. The second thing that we're going to be looking at is Pvc Desktop Organizer. Now what this is, you take various lengths of PVC pipe, you glue them together, you sand them, you cut them at an angle, and you put your pens and pencils in this. Again, every executive is going to want to have this, so I'm getting you in on the inside track. Only person that would ever really want this would probably be a plumber. The third thing that we're looking at is cable organization. This one was so ridiculous that I had to put it in the video. This person is taking tape, markers, sticky notes, and what they're doing is taking those 3 things, putting them together and color coding all of their cables. I had to try it. So I took and I put all of the grooves into the 2x4. That was the easy part. The problem was that my grooves were too small, so I had to go back and redo them. The next thing that I did is went ahead and cut all of my PVC pipes. They aren't pretty, they aren't exact, but again, this whole build is not pretty. You glue them together with hot glue or, PVC glue. You could use super glue, you could use Elmer's glue, or you could just throw it in the trash where it belongs. That's acceptable too. Once it's all glued together, go ahead and hit it with some paint. I hit it with some black vinyl before I glued it all together to make sure that it would stay at least semi-looking good-ish, kind of, maybe a little bit. The third thing we're again doing is this ridiculous cable sorting system. It is all of the cables color-coded with markers, sticky notes, and tape, and I cannot believe somebody put this on the Instructable's website. I don't know who you are, but thank you, because this is amazing. Take the sticky note, color it with a marker, put the tape over it, tape it to your cable. That's it. So now you have your desk completely organized, you have your cables separated, you have them color-coded, and now you have a brand new spiffy pencil holder fit for an executive at Chase Bank or for the trash. But we can make this a little bit better. So let's put some vinyl on the pencil holders to make them look nice. Let's put labels on this piece of wood to make that look nice. And there's nothing I can do about the tape, markers, and Post-it notes. That's just not salvageable. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Tune in next week for another episode. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell down below to get notified every time I release a video. And as always, stay fancy. One more thing I wanted to mention, I am streaming on Twitch on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 8 to 11. I'm starting a gaming channel on YouTube, Fanciful T Gaming. If you would, go over, check it out, subscribe there as well. Check me out on Twitch. As always, stay fancy.